At a fix, we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with your Windows Hello Fingerprint, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your services. Once you open up your service, now you need to just click on any service that you are comfortable with and then press W on your keyboard. And here you need to find Windows Biometric service. So find the Windows Biometric service. After finding it, now you need to right click and then go with properties. And here you need to go with startup type, make sure that it is automatic and make sure that the service is running. You need to go with start. And after that, you need to go with log on section and here make sure that you're selected the option of allow service to intend with desktop. And after that, go with apply and OK. After that, your problem might be fixed or you can just simply go and restart the service. After restarting, make sure that the service is running. And after it's running, your problem will be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to right click on your Windows and then you need to go with the device manager section. And here you will have the biometric option. But if you don't find the biometric option, then you just need to simply go with view and then go with show hidden devices and now you will have the option. But if you still don't have the option, then you need to just click on your username and then you need to go with action and go with scan for hardware changes and it might take a few seconds. And after that, you will find the option. And what you need to do is just simply select the option. For example, I don't have the option in my laptop or in my device. You need to just click on the biometric option, right click on that and then go with properties. Under properties, you will have the option of update driver. You need to go with driver and then you need to update the driver for biometric service. After updating the driver, your problem might be fixed. After that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. And under settings, if you have your Windows update, then you just need simply go and update your Windows. So go with fix issues and update your Windows. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. Once you've done this, you need to just go and restart your device. And after restarting, you'll fix your problem. And the last option is you need to search for group policy. Go with edit group policy. Under that, you need to go with computer configuration. And now you need to go with administrative templates. Under administrative templates, you need to go with Windows components. And under the Windows components, you will have the biometrics option. So go with biometrics. And here you will have these options, right? Make sure that it is all enabled. So you need to go with each and every one. Go with edit. And here you need to go with enable and go with apply. And after that, again go with the next one, go with enable and again go with the next one and make sure all of these are enabled. After enabling, you need to go and restart your device, or if you don't want to restart, then you just need to simply open up your CMD and you can restart or reset your group policy. So go with run as administrator under your command prompt, go with yes, and here you need to enter a command which is gp update space / force. And after that, hit the enter and it will reset or update your group policy editor and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.